Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to fix Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Internet data connections problem on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, knowing how to fix Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Internet data connections problem ensures that you stay connected, productive, and informed in both your personal and professional life. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open Play Settings menu on your device. After that, scroll down and then select General Management option. Well, and then in this section, you can choose Reset option. After that, you can reset mobile network settings here. So, click Reset Settings and click once again. Okay, please return to the previous page and select Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. So, click Reset Settings. Well, that's the tutorial on how to fix Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Internet data connections problem on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.